I want you to imagine this story. You're walking down a street and you're breathing on your mouth instead of your nose. And then you suddenly make eye contact with a cute girl. Okay, look, there is more than one reason why you should want to breathe on your nose instead of your mouth. First of all, as the story suggests, it is not attractive when you breathe on your mouth, obviously. You might have not ever thought of this, but it's kind of logical that you look better when your mouth is closed and not... So it's better like this, you look better like this, you know? Because first of all, you're just not... It's obvious, come on. Also, while you're doing that, you can be mewing, so your tongue should be pressed on the roof of your mouth, and then you will get rid of this double chin below your mouth. So you need to get this into a habit so that one time when you stumble across a cute girl and make eye contact, you have it in habit already, and you don't have your mouth hanging, instead it's closed and you're looking great. But secondly, it also affects your health. There's many health effects and you can do much research on it, but one of the big things is sleep quality. So if you struggle with sleep, fixing the way you breathe can also affect that and help you have more quality sleep. If you wake up a lot in the middle of the night, that might be due to breathing on your mouth. So you should get into a habit of breathing on your nose, therefore you will, as I said, improve everything, but also improve sleep quality and other aspects of health. So how do you actually do that? How do you change the way that you breathe? Well, honestly, it all comes down to practice. You just need to watch how you breathe as much as possible. Maybe meditation can help because you're gonna be more aware in the present moment, and then you'll be remembering that you need to close the mouth. But it mostly comes down to practice. You just need to remind yourself every time that you catch yourself breathing on the mouth, and then you shut it, and then just get that into a habit, and eventually it will be like second nature to you. Also, one thing you can do is also tape your mouth while you go to sleep, or maybe when you go to train a sport or gym, maybe if you don't feel like an idiot taping your mouth in a gym. But you can tape your mouth shut with wait, where is my tape? Here I have this little tape, it's like a medical tape, it's kind of light, so if I tape my mouth, it won't be a problem for me to rip it open if it's like necessary. So while I'm sleeping, I'm not scared because I can, if I just suddenly open my mouth, then the tape will tear, but from most of the time it won't tear. So if there's an emergency that I need to take a breath, then there will be no problem. But also when I wake up, this will still be on if everything went all right. This is good for two reasons. It will help you get more into a habit of breathing on your nose, and it will also be like a check to see how good are you at it so far. Because, you know, if you're constantly waking up with tape nowhere to be found, that means you were opening your mouth during the night, and that means you're not so good at it yet. But if you constantly wake up with the tape still on, that means you're getting pretty good at it. Okay, that's all I had to say. Good luck with this. And if you like the video and you want to see more, there is plenty on my channel. You might want to check it out. If you want to watch one right away, you can watch this one. And if you're liking me and my content, you can consider subscribing. That will be good for you because you will get a lot of self-improvement content. And that will be good for me because it will help me grow my channel. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.